Hello, today we'll be unboxing the Retevis RT-21 walkie-talkies. This is a pack of 4, 2 in each box here. These are used in different things, but they advertise that these are good for organizations such as a business. So I'll go ahead and open this one first. Here's the owner's manual with the guide of all the basics on how to work it. Each one of these comes with a charger of its own, which is plugged in. It has a attachable belt clip, which they give the screws right in here for this. And this is the actual walkie-talkie itself. The volume control is here, and channels are all the way around, which there are 16 of them on this model of walkie-talkie. And then this button right here is just holding down, and that's the way you can talk. It also comes with this battery right here, which is rechargeable with the base. And they also have the strap. You can put this around your arm. Alright, so now we got the back belt clip attached. There's 2 small screws, one right there and one right there, that you'll have to attach to get the belt clip to work and attach on. They're just 2 small screws with the Phillips style. So now how to use this. Some of the basic features is the volume right here. So the volume is going to be this small one right here on the right, and you just turn it this way, and it's going to make that sound and tell you what channel you're on. If you want to change the channel, there's this one right here in the middle.
2.
Whenever you turn it, it will make a sound and tell you which channel it's on.
3.
To talk, you're going to hold down this button on the side, and it will turn red on the top to indicate you're speaking. If the light on the top turns green, that means another radio is sending signal to this radio right here. Once again, thank you for watching the unboxing of the Retevis RT-21 walkie-talkies. If you have any questions about these, leave them down in the comments. Once again, thank you for watching.